handout. Now we go to the main book. Brother, we go to the main book. Ad-Darsu Awwal. Okay? Haza. What is, sister, the blue book? Yeah? Blue book, lesson 1. What is the title? What is the title? Haza. We are learning Haza. What is Haza, brother? Most of you know the meaning. What is it? This. Haza means this. Okay, but write down near there in your book. Just write down, brother. What is Haza? It is what is it, brother? This is a pronoun. And pronoun is a noun. In Arabic, pronoun is also a noun. Okay, so it's a pronoun. Just remember it, brother. And if you forget, Sister Fatima, if you forget, it's normal. You should not be too concerned. Because we will be repeating it so many times in the class that it's going to come out of your both ears. Okay? So it is demonstrative noun. What do you call it in Arabic? Ismu Ishara. Those who are familiar with Urdu, they will find the course very easy. Brother? Ismul Ishara. We will be repeating it. Right now I'm, throwing these things at you. But please do not be gabarified, because we will be repeating them. And it will, inshallah, become part of your vocabulary and part of your memory, inshallah. Haza. Are you with me, brother? What is haza? It is a demonstrative pronoun, which means it's a noun. Are you with me? Okay. And then in Arabic we call it Ismu Ishara. We call it Ismu Ishara. Okay? Inshallah. Now, these are the sentences, simple sentences we are studying. And I'm not going to go in detail, but very soon we'll go in detail, because ours is an intensive course. We will be moving at a steady pace, brother. Now, as you know, you are all supposed to read. You must know how to read, and you will be writing all these things in your book. And the more you read and write, you will become stronger, brother. And in the class, if you are a team of husband and wife, it's a great thing, because you can go home and read to each other and discuss with each other, and it will help. Every day, brother, you got to do your homework. This is just like coming to a college or a university program where you go in the morning to the university, go home and study, come back and learn more. So our course is like that. If you will work hard, you will succeed. If you won't, then it will be a problem. Okay. What is the first? Hada baytun. What is it? Hada baytun. Now, normally, when you speak, you do not say baytun, you say hada bayt. Just like in Quran, when you stop, you give a sukoon. But for our course, we will repeat dun, dan, din, we will repeat, because we want to understand properly. But those who speak Arabic fluently, just like us, we speak English fluently. But do we know the grammar? We don't know the grammar. If somebody asks you, teach me English, you cannot teach English, brother, because you don't know yourself properly. You only speak, you cannot teach. Same way, the people who speak Arabic, when they say Hada Bayt, or when they say Muhammad Talib, or Raitu Muhammad, or Marartu bi Muhammad, they are not very sure about the endings. Because that's the way you stop it. You don't put the, pronounce the last. But here in our class, we will pronounce everything. So that we get a good idea of what's going on in the sentence. So you will always be reading Hada Baitun. Hada Baitun. Now tell me, brother and sister, what is the translation? This is a house. Indefinite. Indefinite. This is a house. Okay. Now, I think you have understood this, so I am going to erase it, brother? Haza. See, it is pronounced like Haza. But this alif is not written. It is explained in the key also. So it is Haza. Okay. Haza means this. And Baitun means a house. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? No, but you said in English that this is a house. Okay. I see this here, Haza. I see a house here, Baitun. But I don't see anything similar to is in Arabic. Are you with me when I explain? Brother Muhammad? You say this, which is equal to Hada. And you say a house, Baitun. What about is? So what is? Okay. We go to English grammar. Is, are, and am, these are linking verbs. In English, we call it copula. Copula verbs. Brothers and sisters? They are intransitive verbs, but I will not go in detail in intransitive. But they are called copula verbs. It means they are linking verbs. They link one noun with another noun. Okay? Or it links the subject with the other noun. Okay? They are called linking word in English. They do not exist in Arabic language. They are not there. There is no need. Okay? When you say Hada kalamun, we only said two words. This, a pen, but you will translate, this is a pen. But in Arabic, what will you say? Hada kalamun. You will say, Hada kitabun. There is no is, or am, or are in Arabic. So you have to keep that in mind. And what are they called in, is, are, am are called in English grammar? Copula verbs. Yes, brother. Hada kalamun, we only said two words. This, a pen, but you will translate, this is a pen. But in Arabic, what will you say? Hada kalamun. You will say, Hada kitabun. There is no is, or am, or are in Arabic. So you have to keep that in mind. And what are they called in, is, are, am are called in English grammar? Copula verbs. Yes, brother.
So in Arabic there is no linking word.
There is no linking word. It is understood to be. We understand it, but it's not there. Okay, brothers and sisters? Okay. So the first picture says Haza Baitun. What is the next one, brother? Haza Masjidun. Okay. And the next word? Haza Babun. Okay. What is the next word? Hada kitabun. You will have to say bun properly. Remember. Dun, dan, din. You must say properly. Okay? Hada kitabun. Hada qalamun. Mun. Hada miftahun. Hada maktabun. Hada sarirun. Hada kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Correct? Easy? This is easy, you know it. But now you got to memorize the vocabs, and practice at home. Okay, inshallah. Can one of you read loudly, brother? Read it, brother Muhammad, loudly. With bun, dun dan din, okay?
Haza baitun.
Hada baitun.
Haza masjidun.
Hada masjidun.
Haza babun.
Hada babun.
Haza kitabun.
Hada kitabun.
Haza qalamun.
Hada qalamun.
Haza miftahun.
Hada miftahun.
Haza maktabun.
Hada maktabun.
Haza sarirun.
Hada sarirun.
Haza kursiyun.
Hada kursiyun. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay, now we come to the next page. What is written there? Ma hada. Ma is used for asking question. It means what? There is a name in it, but we won't go in detail right now. Later on, we will go in detail and learn all the names that are for the nouns and the particles for asking question later on, inshallah. Okay. So when you ask a question, you say ma hadha. What is the meaning? Again, is this not there? Ma means what? Hadha means this. What this? No, but it is what is this? Because the copula verbs are not in Arabic. Okay, linking verbs are not there. Ma hadha. What is the answer? Hadha baytun. This is a house. What is this? This is a house. Okay, brother. Now, I come something here. Hadha baytun. This is a statement. This is a house. How do I change that into a question? By just putting Hamza. What will you say now? Ahaza baytun. But then you will have to put a question mark. And you have to even change your tone. Ahaza baytun. Ahaza baytun. Now you are asking a question. So your tone has changed. Ahaza baytun. This is a house. Let me write down properly. This is a house. Okay, brother and sister, this is a house. How about here? Is this a house? Is this a house? So this, putting Hamza in front of a statement, brother, change it into a question. Are you with me? No other changes. Just by putting Hamza in front of a sentence, you change into a question. Are you with me, brother? Okay. And what is the answer? Na'am. What is the answer? Na'am. Okay. Or if it is negation, you will say la. Okay, brother, what is naam and la? What are they? Are they nouns? Are they verbs? What are they? Write down in the little note, brothers and sisters. What are they, brother? They are called now, brother, these are the things you are writing. I do not expect you to know everything tomorrow. But this little note that you are writing will help you later on. Inshallah, someday you will stand up and teach. So, You remember, everything in Arabic can be divided into three groups. And what are they? Nouns, verbs, and particles. Everything in Arabic language, you can put it into three groups. Okay. What is hadha? It's a noun. What is bait? It's a noun. Oh, then what is noun? It's a harf. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. And what is la? Harfu jawab. Okay, brother? You use here. This is also particle. Okay? But ma is ism. Now, I am only telling you, if you want to write it down, you write it down. I do not expect you to know it by tomorrow. I don't expect you, brother. But slowly, this thing will really make a lot of sense to you. When we do later on in book 3 detailed analysis of everything, then these things will come back to you. Right now, if you want, I'm just throwing at you. If you can understand and retain in your mind, alhamdulillah. If you forget, you don't worry. Don't blame yourself. Because we'll be repeating it, inshallah. Okay, brother? Ahadha baytun? Naam. Yes. Hadha baytun. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha kamisun. Remember, we got to pronounce it. Kamisun. Okay, brother? Ahadha sarirun? La. Hadha kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hadha kursiyun. Okay. Again, what is la? It's a particle. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. Okay. Ahadha miftahun? La. Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. Okay. Ma hadha? Hadha najmun. The pictures are there, so it's easy, but I hope you will put little time and memorize the vocabs. Inshallah, it will help you. Every effort, inshallah, will make you better and better. Brother, let me tell you one more thing. This is what I believe, and I always mention in the class. I'll mention it now, brothers and sisters. Some of you are coming from far, from Pickering, from Brampton, and maybe still further, I don't know, okay? From Oakville, maybe. Brother, every minute that you are spending to come to learn Arabic, the time that you are driving, the time that you spend at home to revise your lessons, to do your homework, the time that you sit in the class, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will treat it as your ibadat. You know why? Because we are learning the language of the Quran for the love of Quran. No other reason. No dunya here. Only akhirah. We are learning Arabic for the love of Allah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So every minute that you'll spend in the class, in your car, at home, doing your homework, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His infinite mercy, will treat it as if you are doing His ibadat. Because we are doing for His love and for the love of His book, inshallah. Okay. Now, brother, ma is what? And man is who? Are you with me? Now, there is another difference, brother. In the whole universe, there are two types of aql, having intelligence, or they are ghair aql, with no intelligence. Are you with me? Human beings have intelligence, but things have no intelligence. Pen doesn't have intelligence. Okay, kitab doesn't have intelligence. We have intelligence. So anything which is aql, having intelligence, when you want to find out about that, you will use man. When you want to find out about things, you will use ma. Now, the scholars define that the aql, group consists of 3 creations. One is the human being, other is malaika, and the third one is jinn. You like it or not, they also have intelligence. Jinns have intelligence. Okay? So when you refer to human beings, malaika, and jinns, you use man. For the rest of the things, it is ma. Are you with me, brothers? So, you can say ma hadha. Are you with me? You can say ma hadha, haza kalam. But if I point to brother Muhammad and say, I cannot say ma hadha, I will say man hadha. What will I say? Man hadha. And my answer will be hadha Muhammadun. Are you with me? I am not pointing out to female now because of a reason that I'll explain you in next class. And from next class onwards, I'll be pointing out to sisters also. If I point out to this brother, I will say man haza. Then the answer will be haza Hasan. Hasanun. Hasanun. And then if I point out to the third gentleman, again I will say man haza. I will say haza Abdus Samad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So for human beings, anything akal or rational nouns, we use man. For gair akal or irrational nouns, we use ma. Simple, brother. So let's see now. Look at the picture, and what is the question? Man haza. Haza tabibun. What is the meaning of tabibun? Doctor. Got the idea? Haza tabibun. Man haza. Haza waladun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Then next one, man haza. He has got his little bag, school bag with him. Man haza. Haza talibun. Talibun. Mashallah. Now the question. How you start your question? By putting a. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. So all these new vocabs are coming. And you got to memorize it. Rajulun, a man. Brothers and sisters, next one. Ma haza. Haza masjidun. Man haza. So it's question for and pointing out to an akil person. Okay. Man haza. Haza tajirun. What is the meaning of tajirun? Merchant. Very good. Merchant. Businessman. Then haza kalbun. Dog. Okay. Haza kalbun. La. Haza kittun. Mashallah. So, brother, kittun, a cat. Haza himarun. Haza himarun. Okay, brother. Haza himarun. La. Haza hisanun. All these vocabs, you must do it at home. Donkey, horse. Okay. Ma haza. Haza jamalun. Haza jamalun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now next page, brother. Ma haza. Haza dikun. Rooster. Haza dikun. Now again the question is, man haza, towards a human being. Pointing out to human being. Man haza. Haza mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Haza mudarrisun. Remember sun, Haza qamisun. La. Haza mindilun. What is the meaning of mindilun? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So we have to remember all these vocabs, brother. Now, ikra waktub. Read and write. Okay, brothers and sisters? Since I have the mic, I will be reading, but please read with me and read loudly. Remember, I have given you permission to scream and shout in the class now. Okay? Ma haza. Hada kalamun. Okay. You can repeat ma hada also, inshallah. Okay. Number 2, hada. Now, brothers and sisters, I found this very difficult. And if you find it difficult, I think it's okay. It's normal, because the vowel signs are not given, So we've got to remember the vowel signs. If we say hada kalabun, that will be wrong. Hada kalbun, because there is a sukoon on lam. So what will you do, brother? At home when you will write, you will make sure that your vowel signs are properly put. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? If you will make an effort, Allah will make it easy for us. If you won't make an effort, brother, it won't work. Okay? So, kalbun. Anytime you have a problem, whether it is sukoon or a proper vowel sign, you go back to the first lesson. That's why I always say, we are barely in the first lesson, and Dr. Abdurrahim thinks you know all the vowel signs. But for us, it's kind of difficult. Yes, brother Abdurrahim.
For the body parts, would you say man? You say ma, right?
Ma.
You wouldn't say man.
Okay, brother. Haza kalbun. Not kalabun, but kalbun. Next one, brother, loudly everybody. Man haza. Haza tabibun. Haza tabibun. Very good. What is the next one, brothers and sisters? Haza jamalun. Now, this is not jamlun, but jamalun. See, the vowel signs are very important. Okay. Next one, brother, a question. Ahaza kalbun? La. Haza kittun. Okay, very good. Next one. Ahaza dikun? Naam. Naam. Yes. Next one, brother. Ahaza hisanun? Is this a horse? La. Haza himarun. This is a donkey. Okay. Next one, brother. Haza mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Easy. This is all halwa puri, brother. Okay. Next one. Haza waladun. Naam. Man haza? Haza rajulun. Haza rajulun. MashaAllah. Okay, brother. Lesson number 2. Do you feel like taking a break? Do you feel like taking a break? We can take a break if you wish. No, we are going to be till 12:30. This class, brothers and sisters, today was our first day. There will be more people coming because so many people have said they are coming. Inshallah, they'll come. It happens that, for some reason they cannot come on the first day, but second day they will come, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, our class timing is 9:30 to 12:30. And we'll take about 15 to 20 minutes break. And inshallah, we'll make arrangements for tea and, so that you can refresh yourself. Fatima pointed out to me something on page number 10, brothers and sisters. At the end of the page, the question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? Vama haza. What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay. You know that Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. We call it harfu ataf. So remember, but you do not have to memorize now. I'm only pointing out to you. Later on, I will be repeating it over and over, and inshallah, you will get into your memory. So va means and. In English, we call it conjunction, and in Arabic, we call it ataf. Ataf. Okay. But as I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Huh? Waw is ataf. Okay, ataf. In English, we call it conjunction. We say harfu ataf. Huh?
So you said ma is a ism.
Ma is a ism.
And so is the man.
Man is also ism. Man is also ism. Huh? Slowly, we will get into it. If I say something and if you can write it, good enough. But don't, sit down to memorize it. It will come to us in the course of our class. Sister Naima? Ism? Huh? Ismun. Huh? Ismun. Huh? Which means noun. Huh? Okay? And see, everything is there in the handout, Sister Naima. If it is damir, which is pronoun, then if it is adjective, it is not. And if it is adverb, it is zarf. But again, as I said, when we move slowly ahead, you will become very familiar with them, inshallah.